Today I have a guest. His name is, say your name, please.
Okay, my name is Musab.
Har'a namoonni haaraan yeroo walitti dhufan haala kamiin haasawaa eegaluu haala kamiin nagaa wal gaafatu kan jedhu irratti gaaffii deebii Musaab wajjin godheen jira. How do you do, Musaab?
How do you do?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So later we're gonna see an interview between me and Musaab.
A brighter future we
Garuu gara interview san deemuu kiyya dura expressionoota namoota haaraa wajjin gaafa ol agarru fayyadamuu malluun isiniif dhiyeessa. So let's see fakkeenyaaf nama haaraa wajjin gaafa ol agarru jalqaba we can meet a person in different places in different situation. So nama isa wajjin gaafa ol agarru hin beeknu asin dura waan agarre yoo ta'e you can say how do you do sir, how do you do, walgii keessatti ta'uu danda'a. Dan walgeetii ennaa gadi baanu haasaa eegaluu barbaanne nama isa wajjin then we can say okay, how do you do sir, how do you do madam. So deebinsaas akkasuma ta'e jechuudha, the same. And when I say how do you do, then the answer is how do you do.
How do you do?
How do you do?
Yookaan ifammoo nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
waan si arkeef gammadeen jira jechuudha. Yookaan ifammoo it's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Marin.
Si arguun koo gammachuu naaf kenna, si arguu kootti gammadeen jira jechuudha. It gives a kind of energy for people if you use this kind of expressions. Some board, my name is, for example, my name is Malkamu and I'm from Harama University. I can say, okay, I am Jitani Megakisan Bakadwani Wutuchuda. Okay, like I'm Bona, maybe from Harar or from Dredar. Okay, I am Iftu or I am Hanna from maybe Haramaya or anywhere. Halasinin of Bexif Nature. Ajiboda, nice to meet you. Namoni Suminamu Maljan Davis. If I say how do you do, the answer is how do you do. Nice to meet you, Ojani. Namisunis, nice to meet you too, James Davis there. Or it's a pleasure to meet you, Onanjiren. It's a pleasure to meet you too, James Davis there. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you too. Kuni akkamitti nama haaraa innaa agarru nagaa wal gaafachuu akka dandeenyudha. San booda haasaa gaggabaabaa akka nama yeroo jalqabaatiif wal argetti gaaffii gaggabaabaa wal gaafachuu hin dandeenya jechuudha. Like we can ask to know where the person is from. Okay, namni sun eessaa akka dhufe gaafachuu hin dandeenya. For example, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Eessaa dhufte jechuudha. Yoo wajjinaa jennu where are you from? Say where are you from? Not where, but where. Where are you from? Okay, Addis Rai. Then namni sun maal jechuu danda'a? I'm from Addis or I'm from Adama.
I'm from Canada, for Christ.
I'm from. So where are you from? I'm from Haramaya. I'm from Dredar. Jenny Davis jechuudha. Maaliif as dhufte jechuu barbaanne immoo namni sun maaliif akka achi dhufe beekuu barbaadan you can say why are you here?
Why are you here?
Why are you here? Why? The correct pronunciation is why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here? Malif as dhufte to know the reason. Sababa namni sun iddoo san dhufe yoo beekuu baanne san adda baafachuu barbaanne. So where are you from jennee gaafanne irraa ati eessaa dhufte jechuudha. Why are you here jennee ati maaliif as dhufte yaadee dhuga jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf namichi Dredar jiraate yoo ta'e iddoon si wal agartan ammoo Hararitti yoo ta'e so why are you here? The person might have different reasons. I'm here to visit my parents.
I'm here to visit my mother.
I'm here for a training. I'm here for a meeting.
I'm here for a meeting with my grandma.
Sababni namni sun achitti dhufe hedduu ta'uu danda'a. Garuu fakkeenyaaf namni sun walgeedhaaf achi dhufe yoo ta'e I'm here for a meeting. Okay, that's good. Maatii koo laaluun dhufe. I'm here to visit my parents. So that's the reason. Yeroo hangam takkas turtaa jechuudha immoo. Yeroo hangam as turtaa. Maaliifuu amma wal bartaniirtu maybe yeroo biraas wal affeertanii haasoo fedhuu dandeessu waan ta'eef. So hangam takka akka namni sun achi turu beekuu barbaanne immoo how long will you be here?
How long will we be here?
Mee wajjina jenna. How long will you be here? How long will you be here? How long will you be here? Hangam takka as turtaa jechuudha. So namichi torbee tokkoof ta'uu danda'a. I will be here for a week. Torbee tokkoofin as ture jechuudha. Yookaan ifammoo I will be here for 2 days. Guyyaa lamaafin as ture jechuudha. I will be here for 2 days. I will be here for 1 month. I will be here for 2 weeks. Kun yeroo jalqabaa keetii namni sun tarii keessummaa ta'uu danda'a. Yookaan ifammoo deddeebiis iddoo san dhufeera ta'uu danda'a. So kan adda baafachuu barbaanne immoo is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Asoo dhuftu inni kun yeroo jalqabaa keetii. Okay? Ni wajjin haa'in. Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Good. Kuni yeroo jalqabaa keetii. Okay? Namtichi yes during there. Yes, my first time. During there. Or no. Asin durallee dhufeen ture yoo jedhe immoo no, I've been here before. Asin duras dhufeen jira jechuudha. I have been here before.
I've been here before.
Ummata akkamitti agartee jaalatteertaa jechuudhaaf. Okay? How do you like the people? Ni wajjin haa jenna. How do you like the people? How do you like the people? Haalli qilleensaa si mijateeraayi. Si toleeraayi. Okay? How do you like the weather? For example, if the person is a Harar, namni sun Finfinneerraa Harar dhufeera yoo ta'e, how do you like the weather in Harar? Ni wajjin haa jenna. How do you like the weather in Harar? How do you like the weather in Harar? How do you like the weather in Harar? Kanaafuu namni sun maal jedhee ibsuu danda'a? How do you like the people? Or jenneen, oh, the people, oh, they're sociable. You know, ummanni baay'ee namatti siqu. Okay? Namaan baay'ee walii galuu jechuudha. The people are sociable. I like them. The people are sociable. They are really nice. How do you like the weather? Gaafee dhufamoo? It's really good. This is a bit cold, but here is a bit hot and I really like it. Okay? So, jaaladheen jira. It's a nice weather and I love jaaladheen jira jechuudha. So, haala kanaan conversationii keenya yookaan ifammoo dudubbii keenya eegaluu hanga ta'e immoo nama isa wajjin haasa'uu hin dandeenye jechuudha. That's really wonderful and I want you to practice shaakaltanii pronunciation keessan illee fooyyeffachuu hin dandeessu ammoo ingiliffaan maal barbaada irra deddeebi'uudha waan ta'eef so irra deddeebinee fooyyeffanne jechuudha. Kanatti aansee interview gabaabduu Musaab wajjin godheenna ni dhiyeessa jechuudha. Let's go to Musaab's interview. Today I have a guest. His name is say your name please.
Okay, my name is Musab.
Okay, good. Musaab, like I and Musaab will be acting as people who don't know each other. Egaa namni haaraan yeroo walitti dhufuuf yeroo jalqabaatiif haala kamiin dubbii eegala haala kamiin ammoo nagaa wal gaafata kan jedhu Musaab wajjin haasaa goone jechuudha. Kanaafuu Musaab akka nama isin dura wal hin beekne taaneeti wajji haasofna jechuudha. Information adda addaa isiniin gaafadha. Musaab immoo naa deebisa jechuudha. Okay. So how do you do, Musaab?
How do you do?
Good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excellent. What's your name?
My name is Musab.
Good, Musaab. Where are you from?
I'm from Abu Dhabi.
Okay. And what do you do for living, Musaab?
I'm a student.
Okay, student. So grade what?
Grade 4.
Grade 4 student.
Yeah.
Excellent. So you are in Haramaya University today. And why are you here, Musaab?
I came here to visit my friend and also
To visit
something.
me. Okay. And to visit the university.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Can you tell me about your dad? What's your father's name and what is his job?
Yeah, I can. Oh, my father's name is Ibrahim. He's a merchant, and my mother's Kimia. She's housewife.
Mm-hmm. So where do they live?
They live in Abu Dhabi.
They live in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
And how many siblings do you have, Musaab?
2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Okay. So are you the first child in your family or the last child? Or?
The last child in my family.
Okay. And how old are you?
11 years old.
11 years old. Excellent. Your English is really nice, Musaab. How could you improve? Because you are only grade 4.
Yeah.
And in grade 4, how could you manage to speak this kind of very beautiful English?
Oh, when I improve my English, I do a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
Like when I go to my school and when I back my home, I speak English with myself like crazy, you know.
Uh-huh.
And also I practice every day. I practice with my friend. I watch movie. I do a lot of things.
Excellent. So what do you advise our viewers? And there might be lots of people who are watching this video and they might be struggling with English. So what do you advise them to improve their English?
Oh, I advise them, if you want to improve your English, you can join SARS Language School. If you join SARS Language School, you can improve your English. When you join SARS Language School, you have to practice. And also, you can do a lot of things.
Excellent. Thank you so much and have a nice time, Musaab.
listen to you.
Excellent. Very good.